Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking at my face for the very first time, my name is Sarah. Welcome to another video of Vlogmas. Today's video is going to be again a fashion related video. I got a big bag full of stuffs from Moshi Thrifts. So Moshi Thrifts is a thrift store that was one of the first thrift stores in Hyderabad. So they do have many pop-ups also. The clothes from their store are for both men and women, and they're also very inexpensive. Nowadays, if you go to the market and try to find some really cool pieces, they'll either be very expensive, or the pieces that you buy from them, you'll very easily find it with somebody else too, because everybody's buying from the same stores. So yeah, in that way I really like this store, and they have sent in a lot of stuff which we are going to see together. So let's begin the video, starting off with the very first thing that I'm wearing currently. It's this red sweater, which honestly looks so Christmassy. It's so pretty. I really liked it when I first saw it. It is very different. It is not fur. It is made up of thread only. It looks like fur from far, like when it's not zoomed in, but if you look close by, it is not fur. But yeah, it looks very cute. It's giving very Christmassy vibe and perfect for the winter. And let's see what we have next. So they have sent this check skirt, and this honestly is so stylish, and I can think of 100 ways this can be styled. This is giving very Blair Waldorf, and I really loved it when I first saw it. I have also made a reel on Pinterest with this particular skirt because I liked it so much. It is so trendy. It can be dressed down, dressed up, and it can look very pretty, and this will look so cute with this sweater also. So yeah, this is also very versatile, and I really liked it. And then we have this gray pants. Honestly, this is also so good. You can also pair it up with a nice t-shirt, and it can also create a very good outfit. But you can also wear it in a formal way with a nice shirt for your office or corporate meetings or anything like that, and it'll be perfect. And I was actually saving a lot of gray pants recently, so I think this will be a good addition. You can pair it up with cherry red t-shirt, like a full sleeve t-shirt, and it'll look so pretty. So yeah, this one also I really like. Okay, and the next piece we have here is this really pretty looking top. So this is a spaghetti top, and it has this nice lace near the neck, and this also again can be dressed up really well, but it can also be dressed down. So this you can either pair it up by either wearing a blingy skirt and wear the top by itself. I think it'll look great for a new year look or something of that kind, but also you can use it for your casual wears by putting on a shirt and then layering the top over that. So you can use again this in a very versatile way, where you can pull off 100 different outfits. And then we have the white top, which is very cute. It's a cropped top, but it's very frilly towards the bottom, and this again, it gives such a cute vibe. You can also pair this with the gray pants that I showed you, and it'll give you a smart casual kind of a look. And then we have in here this red cardigan, which again is screaming Christmas. Not just for the Christmas season, you can also pair it up for your normal regular days whenever you feel like it. So a cardigan is again very useful because you can like button it up and make the whole outfit by itself, or you can just layer it, so it'll look pretty either ways. And red is a classic. Everybody needs to have a red cardigan in their wardrobe, especially in the Christmas season. It's a must. And then we have this dress. It has horizontal lines on it, and this again dresses like these that have horizontal lines give you an illusion of looking taller. And this also can be styled either in a very corporate office style, or it can be paired very casually, like maybe put on a cardigan over it, and you can pull off such cute looks. This honestly I really liked, and the neck also is so pretty. This has frills on the neck, so it looks very demure and very classy, so I really liked it. And then we have another red piece they have sent me specially for Christmas, all the Christmas wear, all the New Year wear. So yeah, so this one has buttons, it's white and red, so this is the perfect Christmas cardigan because white and red in the same one, with it has buttons, white buttons on it. So yeah, this also can be styled so many different ways, and I really loved it. Like for Christmas, if you wear this for carols or anything like that, it'll be perfect. So yeah, it's giving Santa Claus in like Christmas, so for all your Christmas parties this would be perfect. And yeah, it'll keep you warm also, so great, right? And you can use this off season also, off Christmas also. You can pair it up with blue denims and it'll also look very cute like that. So it not necessarily you can wear it just for Christmas, you can wear it otherwise too. Okay, last but not the least, the piece that we have here is again a red top. So this is a tad bit different. So this is long sleeved and it comes with a tie-up over here on the sleeve, and this again has a round neck. So this again can look very pretty with the gray pants. It can create a really nice formal look, but if not also you can pair it in so many different ways. Just get a blingy skirt and with this it'll look perfect, and it is also going to look very comfortable. So if you're enjoying your day through the Christmas, you can be tension free because this is so modest yet so delicate and chic. I loved it. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope this video was helpful to you in some sort of a way. I will link their store, also this is their Instagram ID, so go follow them, show some love from our side. And yeah, you can use code SARA10 to get a 10% off on their store. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you with a next episode of Vlogmas. Bye.